Hello everyone, stuni ni khon jong camera footage sa ko na ni kimodo lhagao gimnei le thil kidang ho cho ana ve kho mo tin ana sei khom ki taw te akhat sanmain tiktoker Isaiah Hari ki tipa hele asu pipa he Casper Mountain ki timun khana ahen agagam gi hanen a hele amanin jong zan le lei khari ahen jot pet hanin leinoi lama chun husan gin khat ahen za hanin a hele amanin jong video record a bol hanin I pe ham tin chun age ve han ta na hele hitabang thil hi ahen tu an tai.
Dude, did you hear that? You didn't hear that? There's something under there. Bro. Dude, please don't go down there. Oh my gosh. Dude, hold on. Let me go first.
Tunnel sunga chun kidang ta in mihim tabang khat hi akiu nam sela hi anading in supha nen amani jong kichat han bal phat tin hilai mun chu dal han ahung jam jing han tai Isaiah jong hilai athil tu chu TikTok lama ana upload in a hila ana viral he jing in mi tam ta en jong he si chung tang thu achun ana het nom the jing in aman jong hilai athil tu chung changa chun video an semin explain ana bol in a hi
Film on 3 different apps at a time to film my videos. Last night I was trying to film everything on Snapchat. So whenever I recorded whatever I recorded, I wasn't gonna just sit there and record it because I was running for my life, okay? And I'm not trying to be funny about this. Literally I was puking. Like, I mean, opened his door mid-drive and vomited. I don't know if it was because I was genuinely terrified or if it was because I was running so much, but I did. But I did manage to screenshot what was under that bridge and enhance it for you guys, and I'll show you that. Yeah, let me just tell you, I've never been more terrified in my entire life. I can't even look at this picture right now. For you guys saying that it was like a friend or like somebody else down there, it may have been a homeless guy. I heard that theory, but I do not know what he would have been doing down there, butt naked, maybe taking a bath, but the sounds and everything about it just did not set.
A viver son jong he lhagao thu a het vena ane num ji uchun he Casper Mountain a chu export boarding a anung chi ki dingin a hen ha nge el heuvin suina Isaiah le asu pipa jong ani ve chana dingin Casper Mountain langa chun export boarding an anaki gudo hanin anasi han tai.
So we're gonna spend the entire night to try to find whatever it was that we saw last night. We're up on the mountain where we did see it, kind of close by. There was a waterfall that's kind of more down the mountain, but we're gonna try and find it tonight. We're gonna be up all night. Have any idea where we're at? Do you know where we are? Dude.
Oh, hell no.
You know where we are?
Dude. Oh, hell no.
Spooky.
Helaya chun gorgin a hin za thei hanin amanin jong camera chu atol phe hanin a hi le mi khat hin thingphung pang adala ki sial hi imu thei bin a hi achutia hi le he Casper Mountain a hin mu thei lo lhagao a chenge iti ta lo do ham ole nangin iti ni gelam chujong le he tunnel noya thelkidang an ki mu hi mi kon khan skinwalker alorek tin jong an ging mo ven a hi ai pawa wang su ipiti se do tam ke tapoi ani channa hin tiktoker sap kitinu hin aina hin miro luita khare kisi pharin ake coin he miro la hin aman jong thelkidang hi anamu do ji da na hi
upcycled, and I swear that sometimes you can see stuff in the background of the mirror that isn't actually there in real life. So I'm just gonna do a couple back and forths, but I'm curious to see if anyone sees anything that maybe I didn't catch. So here we go. Here's the mirror. Okay, so that's the background. Once again, my apartment. Alright, comment if you see anything that's out of place.
Namu them hilaya hin amanun asay mabangin mirula kunin anung lama ahin mi khat ataw hi akimuthen ahi hinla ama hin a camera ahin nung hein ahi la hizmi chu anam tapoy hilaya ki mol hagaw hi hizmi ru la ko na bo ki mudo theiji da ni na kisen ahi achutya hila hichel hagaw hi hizmi ru la hi cheng ahi dem ole ipi hin tenatim athum channa hin tiktoker roni chakha ki tinung hin pa nga cha te ki chipe ni an aman jang video ala na hila hitaba lungdan ta thil hi an record do khan hi hilaya hin chapang pa hin amasang hi hoi ta na ve in suina ma jong a chi phena amasang chu a khut khut an hi la phone khat hi a hin khot do in hi ape ni na manun jong ima an he do point anung ina man jong a video hi hoi ta anung bet pha ten ipm khat akimu thelo khat hin asapa hi akho pi le akilo min hi.
Hi guys, I'm just giving an update on what happened to the phone. Well, I threw it away. I didn't think anything at the time of when I threw it away that I shouldn't have until I watched the video. After watching the video, it didn't sit right with me. It kind of gave me the creeps, actually. But there really is no story time. The phone was broken. The face was cracked. There was a battery on top of the face, like in the front of the face, but it was broken. So I threw it away. That's it. There's really no story time. He just played and I kept recording him. So that's what I do. I record all my kids when they're playing baseball, football at the park. I'm that mom that records every minute and second of their lives. But that's it.
Amanun jong hichi phone chu koi ngam talovin ana sep mang ta na hi hichi chung chang tho hen nangin ipi lunggel na nem ole mu thelo lhagau chun hichi phone chu la denga hichi chapang pa hi a ho pi a hidem a hi lo jong na ipi hiya ipi thil su hin tenatim nangin na lunggel koman lama an sein ali channa hin tiktoker commerce le aloi ta hen party among vina hi le ain komte na chun gol git kidang le thilgin za chom chom hi a hin za vina hi
Back the other way. Why? It looks like somebody's peeking through that window, the one that's open.
Now recording?
Yes! Yes! There's nobody in that house. There's nobody at all. Nobody. That
I didn't know they could be that visible now.
This
That's what I was saying.
ala awa mi khan in jong aga ve na hela muthim banga jing mi khan hi ahung hlai phen suin ama jong a kichat pha ten a chi pe te poi sula helai ena hi te sipi khala chapa bo chenga he in asapa yang cho tu ni phaba masanga chu anathia he tai amon jong in nei pi chu akulu vin adong uvin a hele in nei pin jong ina am lodan thula khula chi do chu a sei pi uvin a hi asutya helai ina lang lhagau hi ipi lhagau a hidem ole anathisa in nei pi chapa lhagau chu a hi khadem anga chanen gusto deng giti pai Indonesia ga ma sorbia giti khopia pa dobli chan hi flyer an chi ding gi sa hi ama jong len na songa lunin video ala na hi le hitabanga lungdon le ti zat ta thil khat hi an record kha in a hi
Selamat malam. 15B.
helai passenger seat na hin mi khat hi ana cha le le hi akimuthein a hi henla ama pa in akom apha pha te in hi chi chu anum tapoi Heche video clip hi gusta dengin jong social media za chumchuma ana post na hele ana viral he jengin amuzo si jong koima alungdong lo anom pui nangin jong heche thil hi hoya hungkuna ipi hidinga ningin mo em nalunggel common lamain se chuzong la loite ho tu ne adingin hin hichanin akichai tai I ham te subscribe bo nai lo na hile lungsit tan like subscribe share ne bol pi dingin ke hin te me